Back to another bad bitch makeup tutorial. Wearing my Bella's Frankie bikini collab with extra pride today because she favorited my last TikTok and I will never let you forget it. The way you guys were fighting over my eyebrows was actually insane. Rare Beauty Brow Gel, I love this. Your guys' advice and try to do them a bit thinner today, but that's just like not how they're built. Hour 28 concealer, it's so creamy and serum-like, but it's also really full coverage. The smoothest eyeshadow application, I recommend doing a full coverage base always, or else it's just gonna give soft. It isn't a bad thing, but it's just not gonna be as smooth. For everyone, I finally linked these in my Amazon. Go to my Instagram to find the link there, but it's really not that hard. I recommend this eyeshadow palette from Natasha. Shadows are the best ever, and these are like everything you could ever need. This middle shade right here, we're gonna start on the outer edge and blend. Do my eyes first because you can see how messy I get it. That's the key to get a really good blend in my opinion. I'm stopping the shadow about halfway into my crease right here because I want to keep the shadow pretty light. I say that as if it's light at all. Mallory, get a fucking grip. Making this look a little bit more light every day. My last one was full beat and I know that's not realistic for everyone. For me, I don't give a fuck. I'll go anywhere beat down. Still very much a beat, but a light one. Brightening this inner half back up with the lightest shade in the palette. Need to pat and be patient. The lightest brown, I'm just barely gonna go into my crease area. It's a little bit more of a cooler tone shadow, so it's not gonna show up as super bronzy. Saying the last look I did reminded them of 2016. The biggest compliment to me, I grew up on YouTube. I'm an only child, so that was like my entire life. I like to go a little bit above my lids, so when my eyes are open, you can like see that brightness. Clean it up and leave it like this, but I need a wing to be me. Use this dark brown shade. Start from this like bottom waterline, and I like to go upwards to give you more of like a snatch. The line on the bottom a bit, and then you start to connect those two together. Make sure your eyebrows are down and like your face is resting so you can see where you're really drawing those lines at. About halfway in my eye, and then just in this inner rim to make it pop. Eyes are just made for like, I'm gonna cut you eyeshadow, you know? Love me a smoky wing, so I'm gonna use that first shade and just kind of blend over that. Oh, hey Spiaz! He always does this. He loves watching me do my makeup. Alright, don't try to climb on me. This is when I have to like kick him off a bit. I use a spoolie to brush off that eyeshadow so it doesn't get all weird with mascara. Really need to get another of my Lancome lash primer. It's with super clumpy lashes and I could not live without it. I just burped. When this happens, let it dry and then take a spoolie and flake it off and it comes right off like lashes linked on my storefront. I'm an influencer. I'm just trying to make a makeup tutorial. NYX Jelly Pop Primer. This is also bomb as fuck tacky primer. Elf, not NYX. I don't know if I said that right. I always do that. The Makeup Forever Skin Tint's probably going to be one of my favorite products of 2025. So hydrating and has really good coverage. It actually lasts on her own. It looks like skin. I don't know how they did it, but they did it. If you want your makeup to makeup, you have to put enough on, guys. I know we're scared of it. We want to stay natural, but if you want it to last and really... you gotta pack that on. Love me some Say bronzer and salt. If the Mario F4 makeup brush isn't in your life, add it to your Sephora cart right now. She's perfect for literally every step of cream products. Always tap. I don't care what step you're on. Complexion is where you really gotta tap and not and fuck up everything you did under. Using some Rhode and Piggy. I want a pinky blushy look today. I'm a blush on the temples girl till I die. Hour 28 concealer. Never tried concealer last. Try it and then thank me later. I'm setting with the Kosas Pink Loose Powder. If you're glowy, this will be your best friend. It's blurring, but it's not too mattifying. Pink, it kind of neutralized how yellow that concealer was on me. The glowish powder on like the rest of the areas that aren't really set, like my jaw and right around my temples here. Mario Skin Perfector in light medium. It has a little bit of a glow to it, so that's why I'm using it today. I love doing this because it makes me feel snatched. In hose, tap, don't do that. It pains me every time I see a cute girl ruin her base. I'm a big fan of these Kosas blushes. This one's in Hype. I'm gonna blend out the edge of the shadow right here because I don't like how that's just cutting off. My bad. Using this shade right here to go under my lash line. I really don't want this to be bottom heavy, and this is like the perfect shade to just do something. I honestly love making these videos. I'm very glad I have some people who like care now. Use the shadow matte just to brighten it back up. I don't think I really want highlighter today. Sometimes I put too much powder on my nose that it looks like I was playing in the snow, if you catch my drift. Never done that in my life. I never will. Don't think I know what that's like, because I don't. I probably like it. That's why I won't do it. If you're blonde and you don't like bottom mascara, I highly suggest trying a brown one. It'll give you like the depth without overdoing it. 28 one has never transferred on me. I think it's because it's a little bit of a drier formula. A little bit more of a lighter lip today, so I'm using the Kosas liner in 100. The Charlotte's Pillow Talk Gloss. The Charlotte setting spray today. This does actually like set you down. There we have another bad bitchification. I'm gonna call this looks natural because it's not that natural, but for me, this is the best you're gonna get. Know how to do clean girl makeup, it's just boring, okay? Stay baddies, love ya!